think from my birth, because my mother, she was always coming here to buy tea buns and our favorites for us. So I think this relationship began from my birth. Chocolate eclairs. I think about 115 years. I think it's about 60 years because my mother and father, they came here when they went somewhere. They came here to buy everything for the party or something, and then my family members, sisters and brothers, then myself, we all came here, and now my children, they are also have a relationship with these Perera Sons. And I want to tell some more things, because this center, this branch, it's very favorite for us because they are very friendly. They have very friendly service, and especially the manager, she always looks after her workers. And we come here because we can buy everything for us as our favorites.